The CDC is now recommending giving a third shot of COVID-19 vaccines to people with weakened immune systems. So this is going to include millions of people like certain cancer patients and organ transplant recipients.
For Pfizer, that means people 12 and older are eligible here, while Moderna is for people 18 and older. Our Hope Ford spoke with an organ transplant recipient who says for him an extra dose is no big deal.
While waiting in the Emory ER, Nick Pettis heard the news.
This action is about ensuring our most vulnerable, who may need an additional dose to enhance their biological responses to the vaccines, are better protected against COVID-19.
A third shot approved for immunocompromised people.
Give us that extra protection.
Nick's received 5 organs in his life, a liver, 2 kidneys, a double lung transplant, and is currently on dialysis. He got his Moderna vaccine in March, and with everything he does to take care of himself, another shot.
It's nothing. I take about 60 pills a day, so getting this one extra shot, if it's going to give me a better chance at staying out of the hospital and staying alive, I'd say it's worth it.
So why the extra dose? Dr. Raymond Rubin explains.
For years we've known that transplant recipients do not respond as strongly or as durably to other vaccinations as otherwise healthy people.
The CDC says roughly 40% of hospitalized breakthrough cases are people with weak immune systems. So for Nick, who's been in the hospital plenty in his life, he just thinks it's the right thing to do.
I hate to be blunt, but I think it'd be pretty stupid not to get it, especially now.
Nick says he'll consult with his doctor on when the best time to get the third dose would be.
Well, around the country, 7 million people now qualify for that additional dose. The CDC recommends staying with the same manufacturer as your first 2 doses.